Good morning, Chester. Hey, hey, set. Good boy. Oh, you listen too, Chester. Good job. I have to find new Halloween costumes for you guys. Good morning, guys. This is going to be the first thing on my list this morning. We got home kind of late last night from Madison's cheer. I'm just grabbing a breakfast cereal bar. I'm going to have my coffee, and yeah, I have my list going already. So today I'm going to catch up on more laundry. I'm going to see if I could pick up my Dollar Tree balloons today, since tomorrow is going to be like a monsoon. I want to try to get some of the stuff done today for the party. And I also want to decorate the backyard because obviously I don't want to do it in the rain. And even though it's not going to be nice weather, people are going to see the backyard. So I just want it to look good. I have to give Leo a good brushing. He's getting really nappy. That's one thing about golden doodles. Like, they get really naughty really fast, and it's hard to keep up with the brushing. And I have to try to clean his ears. That's always fun. Tidy the house. I have to clean the kitchen, as you saw. Clean out the fridge because I have lots of leftovers and stuff, and I'm going to need space for party food. So, yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. And I am just going to head into the living room and have my coffee. Where's my coffee? Here's my coffee. So I'm just going to head into the living room and take a few minutes to eat something and start my day. Guys, it's about 9:45 in the morning, and I am just slow moving today. I don't know what my problem is, but I really need to get myself in motion. So far, I did like a 10-minute yoga thing just to get things, get the blood pumping, and I took a shower, got ready. The dogs are eating right now. I have to take them for their morning walk. And yeah, I really haven't accomplished very much yet today. I still have to tackle those dishes. The bed is made, the laundry is going, but that is about as far as I've gotten. And I just have to get myself moving today. It's been a challenge, but there's a lot to do, and it is time to begin. Okay, so we just got back from our morning walk, and I brushed the dogs a little bit anyway. It's not always an easy task, but I fluffed up Leo a little bit and gave Chester a quick brushing. And now I have to tackle this. It's days like today, I wish I had a fairy godmother. So let's bippity boppity boo this. Bippity boppity boo. Okay, so I'm doing my laundry and I'm getting all the components of my costume ready for tomorrow. And I just wanted to show you guys these. I showed you the sunglasses that I bought last night at Target. So let me know what you think. Should I go with these? Let's see. Which I can't really see very well, but I could probably wear them at least for a little while. It's kind of dark. All I did was I took black Sharpie and I kind of just colored over the lens, and then I took a white out and made dots for the buttonholes. But then I can also do, all right, or should I do this? Let me know in the comments down below what you think, which is the better option for the night. And then I just made this little box with the button eyes and the thread. I thought that was a cute little accent piece to add to the costume. Just one more thing though for me to carry around during the party, but I think it came out cute. So here's the spider that I picked up at Target last night. I think it looks really cool here on our staircase. And then I also purchased this runner, so I think it looks good just going right over the lace there on our coffee table. And then I found this lace runner. It's like all cobwebs. I think it's really pretty, so I included that. I moved what I had on the dining room table over onto this chair because I prefer for people not to sit in that chair, so I'm hoping that will deter them from doing so because it is really old and doesn't support a lot of weight. And I think this looks really nice here. If I find the time, I want to steam this tablecloth too before the party. Bippity boppity boo. So I just finished doing laundry, but Princess cleaned this towel. I don't think I'm getting it back anytime soon. She's all snuggly and warm on there. Oh, cover your eyes from the sun, the glaring sun. She's so funny. and I'm just having my lunch. I'm having peanut butter and jelly and some water, and I'm getting ready to do some editing. So it is just about 2 o'clock and I am running into the Dollar Tree to pick up my Halloween balloons so I don't have to do it tomorrow. And I didn't start cleaning the backyard yet and decorating it because I was just catching up on things around the house, laundry, and just keeping up with trying to keep the house somewhat tidy. So I'm gonna run into the Dollar Tree, pick up my balloons, and then I have to head to the school to get Madison, who has another sleepover birthday party tonight. So she's actually doing a haunted hayride too with her friends, and she's kind of nervous about that, and she is kind of young, so I hope she's okay. But yeah, so that's her plan. She has a sleepover both Friday night and Saturday night, because Saturday night obviously we need her to go somewhere else because we're having our adult only Halloween party, with the exception of Emily this year. Somehow she finagled getting herself to go this year. She's always wanted to go, so she's really super excited that I'm letting her be a part of it this year. And I have to say, the costume idea really helped with that. So that's where I am at right now, and I will check back with you guys later. So I've gotten my balloons. They're like these little haunted houses. I think they're really cute. I'll show you guys better when I get home because they're kind of floating away. And then of course I ended up picking up a couple of things last minute for the party. I needed like a little tin to put the voting ballots in when people vote for the costume contest. And I thought this was a cute little tin for that purpose because it has like all different Halloween characters on it. So to me, it just reminds me of like costumes, right? It has the Mummy and Frankenstein and the Witch and Dracula. And then I picked up some more of these tea lights because you can just never have enough of those, just for the jack-o'-lanterns and for other light up things I have in the house, that I'd rather use one of these instead of like using real fire. I picked up some more plates because I'm worried I'm not going to have enough of those. And then Madison actually needed a birthday card for her party tonight, so I got that. And then I picked up this spooky picture. I just thought it would be cool to put in the back house for decorations. I have like a whole wall of kind of creepy pictures like this, so I wanted to add this one to it. And now I'm headed to, I think I have time to pick up some Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks, so I'm going to pick up a coffee or a tea or something warm and head over to the school. Hello, it is about 5 o'clock and I just dropped Emily off some dinner at the school. She's staying after again with drama stuff. I'm getting ready to take Madison to a sleepover, and then I'm taking Patrick to a Halloween party, and Emily also has a Halloween party, but they're going to the same Halloween party, but she's going a little bit later because she has the drama club stuff going on. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna go get Madison and make sure she has all of the items packed that she needs for the night, and I'm gonna bring her to her friend's house. Then I'll take the other two to the Halloween party, and then I still have to decorate the yard before it gets dark. So that's what I'm going to try to attempt to do tonight. I finished all the laundry. I'm caught up pretty much with the housework. I'm saving a lot of stuff to do in the morning because I want the house to be like nice and clean right before the party. So like the bathrooms and the garbage and the vacuuming, I'm gonna do that all like right before people arrive. But so far so good. I also need to pick up a tray of desserts that I ordered from the bakery that my daughter works at for the party, so I'm gonna run there and get that as well. And that is pretty much gonna be our night. I'll check in with you guys later. I just picked up these for the party. How pretty do these look? I might have to sneak in there and grab a brownie or something tonight. They look so yummy. I'm so happy with it. I just wanted to tell you guys, last night the Roomba randomly went off, and it has not worked in like the longest time, especially on the timer. It hasn't really had a charge. This is where I ran down and turned it off, and I just left it there. I was really scared to come down in the middle of the night. My dogs woke up, they started barking, and I just knew I had to come down and take care of it or nobody would ever get any sleep because it's very loud in the middle of the night. But yeah, so it came from in here. So this is usually where it is. It's really dark now. Let me turn the light on for you guys. So it came from over here on the charger, and at like 3:30 in the morning it made its way down here I heard it banging around in the dining room a little bit. Hi, puppies. And came all the way over here, and then I finally ran down and turned it off. And I was scared, and I ran really fast. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching again today. It is about 8:30 at night. I'm actually headed out to pick up my daughter Emily from the high school, and then I'm taking her to a Halloween party. My son's already at the party having a good time, and Madison's at her sleepover, and I got a text message that she is doing the haunted hayride. So I'll have to find out tomorrow how she made out with that. Thank you again so much for following me along. I cannot believe we're nearing the end here. This whole Vlogtober thing just went so fast. I'm really gonna miss talking to you guys every single day. It's actually been a really nice thing, and I have loved connecting with all of you. I hope that you enjoyed my ghost stories that I posted today. I've been really enjoying myself reading all of the ghost stories that you are sharing in the comments below. That's been like so interesting to me. So thank you for sharing that. And I will see you guys Monday morning. And I'm sure I'll have lots of fun things to share. Our Halloween party is tomorrow night. So hopefully I'll be able to share some of that with you guys. Probably not too much because nobody knows I do YouTube, number one, and also just to respect their privacy. I don't want to just like be randomly recording people and posting it on the internet when they don't know that it's happening. So that's it. I will catch up with you guys on Monday morning. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I hope that you're all geared up and ready for Halloween. It's only a few days away, and I am super excited. Take care. Bye.